That's pretty nice.
You're up out of there.
Oh, he still has it. I don't know what that is on his bowl. Wow. Holy cow!
Woo! Oh, mother of baby.
Put it in your...
Wait a minute! Hold on!
Come over here.
I'm gonna see it.
Oh, so.
Holy smoke!
Hold them up.
Why don't you put it in there? Why don't you put it in that little cooler?
This is video, so.
How many pounds is that?
Woo! You might be 8.
Yeah. That's close.
Put it in your little,
Wow.
your,
Oh my gosh, that is a freaking monster.
Yeah, it is.
put it in that little bucket where the little fishes is.
Alright.
Get a photo of him, Ross. Let me get him some air.
I don't think I've ever seen a bass that big.
He's a big one.
God, that was a battle, too.
You just see, that's why I'm starting to fish out here. The rubber worms, better not top bait them.